Happy Friday, Greg at GOAUTOWORKS. Just wrapping up one of our universal parts. Everything doesn't have to be complicated. This is something to simplify turbo setups. It's our universal 3-inch S-pipe for the turbo inlet. It works on a lot of different things, and I made it to be, customizable if need be, if you need to extend it or something of that nature. But it comes with the filter, the coupler, and it'll come with the 3 T-bolt clamps, which obviously aren't in the picture. But yeah, if you need one of these, give me a call. I usually keep the elbows in stock to build them and get them out pretty quickly.